Yeah, well done. Welcome, guys, to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be designing another wonderful uh, blocks, the 3D blocks to represent our data. As usual, the first thing you need to do is to come in with your shape, your desired shape. Today, I will just be using corner, rounded corner rectangle like this, right? You remember how we did our cylinder. So what we need to do is to go to our 3D shape effect, go to our bevel. No, let's just do 3D straight and this select this select this, then we change the color. It needs to be transparent. But let's even look at our other colors today. Let's just choose this color, okay, like this. Let's take away shape outline, no outline. Then let's go to the property and increase the height. Let's say we give it 300 like this. Okay, let's just increase to like 400. Okay, I think this is fair enough. Then the width, look at the head, is a bit small, so we take the width to be what, 0. All right, now let's make this a bit transparent. Let's go back to let's make it the color a bit transparent like this. Okay, now let's do a duplicate of it. Control D, do a duplicate of this. As you can see, this is the duplicate. So the duplicate, we are reducing the size based on the data we want to represent. Let's say we are reducing it to today we are going to be on 1 to 100. So today we are doing, let's say 70. Let's say 70. No, the height, no, it's not, it has nothing to do with the data representation. So the height, let's do 170. Okay, then we just have to increase the decrease the transparency of this to give us the exact color we want, and we are going to change it. Let's just change it to this color. Fine, like this. Then we bring it back in, let it fit like this. Awesome, right? Awesome. So we'll be duplicating the whole of this by selecting all. We are selecting all, then we'll be duplicating it for as many data we want to represent as possible. Let me quickly do that. Yeah, this is what we get. So what we now do is each block inside, we are going to change the color and also increase their height. Let's quickly do that. So this is this is what we get. Then what we just need to do now is to come in with the data we want to represent with it by inserting a text box or just writing on the bar itself. Like here, let's say I want to start from here, and I click on the bar inside, and see that is, and I just want to make it let's say this is what, 90%. Control A, change this and increase the font, right? Increase the font and leave the color at white. Like this, and we are going to do the same thing for the rest. Yeah, having done this, so we will now be putting the corresponding what's it called, heading for all these things. Like, let's say for this, let's start from here as usual. Let's just do it like this. Anyhow you want it. I just want to do this. Say Control V. Say Control A. I choose it to be black. Yeah, I choose it to be black and area black. Yeah, okay. So we are going to be doing the same thing for all. The same thing for all. Let's quickly do that. All right, this is what we're talking about. So we might just want to put insert the opening slide by adding, just to go to insert and insert new slide, make it blank, take it to the top because it's the first point, and we are going to bring in our text. Let's say I'm going to bring in our text. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. We say it's grading scale, and this is what we are looking at. So we just want to format the background. I just feel we should just change the background. Let's do this. I think this is gonna awesome. This is awesome. So let's just leave the background like this. So the next we'll be going in with is our animation. So we are going to be selecting the colored box, colored bars, and be adding animation just like this. You select this and you say fly in. We choose fly in like this. So we're going to do the same for the rest. So I decided to also animate the bars headings too, like the below average. I said to animate it. Let's have it. Let's see how it goes. So I say I select this, Control A, I put it as fade, let it fade. That's the first. Then I come here and say fly in, and this fly in I put it after previous. It should work. Then I come here again, I say Control A, I say fade, then I come here, I say fly in, fly. Okay, this fade, let's put it after previous. Then this, say fly in, then we'll also put it after previous. So we're going to do the same for the rest. So we finally added animation to it. Then the next thing we want to do is just to go to click on this to start our animation, to start our presentation rather from the beginning like this. Say it is a great grading scale, and we come here and this is what we have. Isn't this amazing? So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. We love you and want to hear from you too. See you in the next video. Bye.